Now the next thing is horticulture crops. First we have to know about what is horticulture crops. What does it mean? Basically it's a science and art of growing plants like fruits, vegetables, flowers or any other kind of cultivar. And it also includes plant conservation, landscape restoration, soil management, landscape and garden design, construction and maintenance of arboriculture. In contrast, if we say that horticulture doesn't include large-scale crop production or animal husbandry. What is written in this note? These include both food and vegetable cultivation. Both food and vegetable cultivation. Pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. These all are the significant vegetable crops in India. Vegetables can be grown in Z season, which was the season April to June, that was the time period, and in rotation with cereals grown in the Rabi or Kharif seasons. That means both the seasons are required for doing the horticultural crops. Most of the fruits are plantation crops. Plantation crops example we have already learned, tea and coffee, rubber also, and India produces both tropical as well as the temperate fruits. So fruit growing areas now we are going to know about India. Mango, orange, banana, pineapple, grape, lychee, guava, different fruits names are given over there. So different places are also mentioned, like for mango, UP, Maharashtra, Telangana. I am changing the highlighting colors. Yes, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and the West Bengal. Yes, West Bengal mango we have already learned, and Mumbai I think Alfonso mango. This is the different species we can have in different places for the fruit. Orange is Nagpur. Yes, the scientific organization is also located in Nagpur, and Meghalaya Cherrapunji, where the highest rainfall we can have. That is the trick, you can remember those places name, because a lot of states names are provided over the fruits names. So all of you make a trick on your own and remember how to remember those places names according to the name of the fruits. Banana is in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala also. When we gone into Kerala, we have seen there a lot of species of bananas are there. Pineapple is in Meghalaya. Grapes, Maharashtra. Yes, Maharashtra is common in all the places you can see without orange. Lychee, guava, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Without these things also, apple, pear, apricot, walnut, it's in Himachal Pradesh. These are the mountain areas crops, and you can call it as a fruit growing areas, and the Jammu Kashmir. Okay, so apple, apricot we get from the Himachal Pradesh. Kinnor we can have the apple production is more, and Jammu Kashmir also. Come to the non-food crop. A lot of food crops we have learned from this part. Food crops, that means we are growing this crop for our food consumption. But non-food crops are also important, but that we are not having as a food. So which are those crops? The first is written rubber. Rubber. It's an equatorial crop. In the equatorial area, vegetative area, that means evergreen forest. If we are writing over here, it's in evergreen forest, equatorial evergreen forest. Evergreen forest. Where we can see the equatorial area, Amazon, Congo, western part of our country, Western Ghat we can also write over there. So these are the places where we can have the equatorial crop. It is also grown as a tropical areas, in the tropical areas under certain conditions. Yes, it is a significant raw material that is used in a variety of applications, and India is the fourth largest producer of natural rubber. In the year of 2012-13, if in your book the name, the production measurement is also given for the different year references, that you can mention. Come to the fiber crop. Fiber means we know it's related to our dress up. It's related to the clothes or the garments. So major 4 fiber crops we have. First one is cotton, then jute, hemp, and the natural silk. The silk and saris are very famous in the Karnataka, Bangalore places. The first 3 are the plant products, whereas silk is obtained from a cocoons of silkworms that have been fed green leaves, and particularly it's known as mulberry leaves, and this is called the sericulture. The sericulture definition can come in your exam. So all of you read and remember this point very well. 4 first major fiber crops are there, but the first 3 crops are from plant, and whereas the silk is produced from the leaves. Okay, fed from the leaves from the animals, which is silkworms, the cocoons of the silkworms. Come to the cotton, our first non-food crops. According to the legend, cotton originated in India first. Yes. In which places cotton basically produced? If I am drawing the southern part of our country, and this is the western part, this Gujarat portion, the full Gujarat portion, and some of the part of Rajasthan, and in the coastal areas of the southern part, we can have the cotton production. All of you can remember, when you are also giving the reference, you can draw the map, you can draw the places over there we can have the cotton cultivation, then your answer will be more justified. So it is a significant component of the cotton textile industry's raw material supply. We all know that. It's optimal in the dry region of the Deccan Plateau's black cotton soil, and that's why the place is known as black cotton soil, because in the black soil we can have the plantation, we can have the production of the cotton. That's why it's known as black cotton soil. Its growth is facilitated by high temperature, light rainfall. We know that scarcity of rainfall we can have. 210 frost-free days. Yes, for tea and coffee we have learned the same line, frost-free days. That is very important, otherwise cotton tree will be die. Bright sunlight. And it's a kharif crop that matures in the approximately 6 to 8 months. Okay, so this highlighted portions you need to remember along with the location of the cotton production. Come to the jute. Jute is affectionately referred to as a golden fiber. Yes, jute is basically in our places like in West Bengal, it's a authentic crop which we can have, and it's a primitive crop. Due to the strength and roughness of the fiber, it's used to manufacture the gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets and other artifacts. These are so necessary products which we are getting from jute. Due to its high cost, it has been losing market share to authentic or synthetic fibers and packing materials, most notably nylon. Yes, now in our market, different kinds of products have already came, like silken materials, some nylon materials, some different garments materials are already introduced into our world, and that's why it's a little bit expensive. We know that the clothing materials, if we are getting at a free of cost or we are getting as a less of amount, but jute is a little bit expensive for making the gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn. Sometimes we are going to the book fairs or different fairs, we can have a sector over there, the jute related materials are sold over there. How many people are buying this? Nobody. Everyone is going there, everyone watching is how they are making this product, but nobody is interested because of the high cost or expensive value of this product. So that's why now it's getting a little bit marketization for the implementation some policies by government, but it's not have a lot of market. So additional information now we will give for the different parts.